Hello, EGR 102 students. My name is Michael, and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I very often help EGR 102 students with time management concerns. Proper time management is essential to meeting your deadlines in your courses, but also in your future career endeavors. I also help students memorize important terms, and as future engineers, you will be exposed to many important terms that you must fully understand and record in your memory. You will also need to become very skilled at various project management approaches. You'll need to learn how to plan, develop, and complete projects on time. That is something we can help with too. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything we can do to help you be successful at LCCC, and we hope to see you soon.